In exams, this type of question separates prepared students from confused ones. Many students rush this question and lose easy marks. Always follow order of operations. Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. Ignore the addition for now. Solve the multiplication first. Now we add using a common denominator. If you're still following, comment yes. This one looks scary, but the rule is the same. Apply, keep, change, flip. Always. Now subtract carefully. Never start from left to right. Exams reward correct order, not speed. Pause the video. Solve this using order of operations and drop your answer in the comments. Save this video for revision, share it with someone preparing for exams, and follow this page for daily exam drills.